Just picked up a house. Pretty nice place. Nice neighborhood. A bi-level without a window up there is shameful. Appears the door has seen better days. Let's take a look inside. I don't quite understand what I'm looking at. Landing right into the kitchen. Oh wow, an automatic light. How convenient. Shot of the kitchen. It looks like these cabinets can be salvaged. Got an island. Got a few things laid out, starting the job already. And over here, we've got a fridge, stove, and microwave. They all match. Just need a good cleaning. And here, this is what they had for the plug-in for the microwave, just shoved in that hole. You can see it's frayed right there. Not good. Here's the range hookup. Again, shoved in the wall. Living area. It appears to be a hangout. Shoot the breeze, few beers. Perhaps a cookout to go with your beer. So what the deal is, according to the owner, he was helping a friend of a friend that was down on their luck. And the deal was they were to move in, pay rent, start fixing the place up, and eventually purchase the home. So everything was good in the beginning. And then the money stopped. And the owner worked with the guy, and no more money came in, so he was forced to go to the court and have them removed. And apparently, they didn't take too kind to that, and they got a little angry. Now this here is a cool feature. Wow. I've already started to do a lot of patchwork in all the rooms. Here's the smallest of the bedrooms. Not too bad. Here's the master bed. Already doing some painting. Gonna need some new windows. Here's an example of why all the doors are missing. Here you can see the door jamb is in good shape. But I have a difficult time measuring and lining up the hinges perfectly and route them in. I'd like to conquer that, because once you've done it, then you can always do it. It's a little bit of money saving. It's much easier to just buy a fully loaded door with the jamb and everything and throw it in. So what I'm going to do throughout this process is to create short videos, like a video on resurfacing a bathtub. I've seen it done. I'm not really on board with it, but I might try it. How to do some electrical. How to install an arc fault breaker. How to hang a door, closet door, install replacement window. How to install garage door opener. How to do some drywall mud work. How to stain glass. Lower level. Let me turn that radio off. It appears they were going to make a small studio apartment down here. You got a stove, a sink, a bathroom that way, closet. Got a ton of wood pellets. All I need is a pellet stove. Here's the second bath. Laundry, shower, sink, combo. You can see right into the garage. That's where the washer and dryer goes. Toilet, sink, shower. Nice and deep, good for laundry. Opposite angle, nice water heater. Laundry cabinet. 2-car garage. Nice natural lighting. Got a new window there, might keep it. And that one's original. Got a nice bench. Variety of laundry equipment. Here's the condition of the ceiling when I purchased the home. So I did a little bit of mud work, and it's amazing what a little bit of paint will do. So I'm going to need a little bit of electrical work. And the door looks like it was approached with anger. Plan on putting an AC unit over there. Got a little decoration around the well. Good size yard. Somebody had moved those steps over there where you seen the pallet on the other side. I'm gonna move them back here where they originally were. Maybe put a sidewalk in. I'll clean that area up and put some lattice on there. Got a shed way out yonder. Let's go check that out. Great. Wow, that thing looks vicious. I believe that's some sealer for a driveway. Rakes, shovel, weed eater, couple weed eaters. Nice rake. Gas cans, some shingles, and a pressure washer. That might be worth some money. I've got a lot of debris around this shed. A lot of rock, stone, stumps, and glass. I'd like to get a backhoe, scoop that up, put it in the landfill. Got some goodies left over from a bonfire. Looks like they were having a party. Got fireworks. Maybe they were having some beers out here after the cookout. So I'd like to thank everyone for watching, and perhaps I'll do some videos on the order of what projects I do first and how I set my tools up, tables, the layout.